Modern cars stopped being cars.
They became tablets on wheels. And the problem with tablets is simple. They fail, they freeze, they glitch.
One software bug, and suddenly you're fighting your own car.
And electric cars? Not as perfect as advertised. Sudden fires, charging anxiety, battery replacements that cost a fortune. If the battery dies, the car dies. Cold weather kills range. Long trips.
Some brands replaced engineering with saltware because it's cheaper than mechanical quality. But one brand refused the screen obsession. Mazda kept real engineering alive, a longitudinal inline-six engine, rear-wheel drive layout, and a control system using a physical dial, not a touchscreen. Because your eyes belong on the road, not on a glowing tablet. Luxury isn't a screen. Luxury is engineering that lasts and protects you.
Subscribe to Money to Burn Luxury for more real automotive truth.